We often take a screenshot in our mobile phone and it's come really handy. So how to take a screenshot in our laptop? A lot of people have confusion about it and a lot of people have asked me how to do it in a proper way. Few people use print screen which takes the screenshot of our entire screen, but sometimes people need a certain part. For that people use a snipping tool, but again it takes time. They have to open the software and then the procedure is long. So today I'm gonna tell you a very easy way of taking a screenshot of a certain portion of your desktop or the whole screen. Stick around, I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. So simply, for example, if I have opened this Google Chrome and you see I have few images here. So if I want to copy this image and paste it somewhere, so simply from the keyboard you need to press Shift, Windows and S together. As soon as you press all these three buttons together, you will see this selection mouse here and then you can simply select it. So I have selected this portion only and then I will open the Microsoft Word and I will simply press Ctrl V from my keyboard and you see it's simply pasted here, and then I can click here on wrapping and click here and then I can easily move it also. So in this way you can easily take a screenshot. I'll give you one more example. For example, this is my blog website and take a screenshot of this portion. So I'll simply press Shift Windows S and I will select it. You can select the entire screen. It's easy for you. No matter how much you want to select, you can select it. So right now I want to select only this portion. So I'm just selecting it. I'll open Windows and press Ctrl V and you see it's easily pasted here, and then after word wrapping it I can easily move it anywhere I want without any hassle, and I can even minimize it, I can shrink it, I can maximize it. Anything I want to do with this image, I can increase the size or decrease size. And same thing you can use any software. For example, if I open Paint and I press Ctrl V, see it's pasted here. So anywhere you can paste easily. So this is how easily and simple way of taking a screenshot of a certain portion or the whole desktop. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please like it, subscribe my channel as I upload informative videos every week, and don't forget to share it with your friend and family. Take care. Allah Hafiz.